Most ML engineers pour their energy into model quality, better evals, smarter prompts, fine-tuning, RLHF. But there's a silent killer quietly destroying production AI systems that has nothing to do with any of that. It's called data freshness rot, and it's the failure mode almost nobody is talking about seriously enough. Imagine you spend weeks building a RAG pipeline. Retrieval is clean, answers are accurate, stakeholders are thrilled, and you ship it. 3 months later, the system is confidently wrong about a third of what users ask. Nothing was changed, no model updates, no prompt edits. The world simply moved on while your knowledge base stood still. The core problem is deceptively subtle. Outdated documents still score high on semantic similarity. A policy document from 18 months ago retrieves just as confidently as one published last week. The vector store has no mechanism to understand that time has passed, that context has shifted, or that the information it's surfacing may now be dangerously incorrect. The most common mistake teams make is treating their vector store as a static artifact. Index it once, maybe reindex quarterly if someone remembers, and consider it done. In any domain that actually evolves, finance, healthcare, legal, tech, this approach guarantees a system that will eventually answer with authoritative confidence from information that is factually stale or outright wrong. Part of the solution is surprisingly accessible. Timestamping your documents and building recency weighting into your retrieval scoring can significantly reduce stale retrievals. Decay functions that penalize older documents in similarity rankings give the system a basic sense of temporal relevance. These aren't exotic techniques. They're engineering discipline applied to a problem most teams simply haven't prioritized. The harder problem is that timestamps alone are insufficient. A document from 6 months ago might be perfectly valid in one context and dangerously misleading in another. True freshness management requires domain-aware staleness detection. Understanding when a document's content has likely been superseded based on signals from the domain itself, not just how old the file is. Think of it as a freshness budget. Every document in a production RAG system should carry an estimated shelf life based on its domain and content type. As documents approach that expiration threshold, the system should automatically apply skepticism, flagging them for human review before they cause downstream errors. This transforms document management from a passive storage problem into an active reliability practice. If your AI system operates in any fast-moving domain, data freshness deserves the same engineering rigor you give to model quality, latency, and uptime. The technical solutions exist and are within reach for most teams. What's rare is the organizational discipline to actually build and maintain them. Start treating document freshness as a production reliability concern before your users discover it's not.